You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name. I know a lot of people get confused by it. How is it to be pronounced? Really, there are different pronunciations, I'm afraid. Pronounced in British English, it's usually pronounced as Barry. Alright, so if you go to the UK and other English-speaking countries like New Zealand, probably Australia too, Canada, Barry. Now, in the US, specifically in parts of Canada, it is more often pronounced as Barry. Barry, alright? So, US pronunciation, Barry. English or British pronunciation, Barry. How do you pronounce it yourself, and where are you from? So we can learn from you. Let us know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.